Let's be honest, sometimes we all want to be a little lazy. But what if we told you there are gadgets out there that make life easier and are super fun to use? Whether it's cooking your breakfast without lifting a finger or folding clothes perfectly in seconds, we've found the top 7 gadgets that will change how you tackle daily tasks with minimal effort. From tech lovers to couch potatoes, we guarantee you'll find something in this list that'll make you say, "I need that." Stick around to find out which one tops the list. Trust us, you won't want to miss number 1. Ready to discover your new lazy life essentials? Let's get started. Coming in at number 7 is the ultimate lazy breakfast game changer, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Forget boiling water and guessing when your eggs are done. With this little powerhouse, you can cook up to 6 eggs exactly how you like them. Soft, medium, or hard-boiled, with just the push of a button. It's perfect for busy mornings, picky eaters, or anyone who wants breakfast made in minutes. Whether you're craving poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or even a personal omelet, this gadget does it all. And the best part? The eggs come out perfectly cooked every time, and peeling them, it's a breeze. Compact, lightweight, and even stylish, this cooker is a must-have for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. Plus, cleanup is a snap with dishwasher-safe accessories. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Coming in at number 6, we've got the ultimate lazy gardener's dream, the automatic plant watering system. Imagine never worrying about watering your plants again. Whether you're off on vacation or just forgetful, this gadget keeps your plants perfectly hydrated. It can water up to 15 pots at once with precise, steady hydration, no matter how far they are from the water source. Just set it up and let it take care of everything. Not sure how much water your plants need? Switch it to humidity mode, and it'll adjust automatically, giving your plants just the right amount of love. Go on your adventures without a worry, and come home to a thriving garden. And hey, you can even DIY your own custom setup with the included tubes and fittings. How fun is that? With this watering system, your plants will be thriving while you're relaxing. It's like having your very own plant butler. Find the product link in the description. At number 5, we have the Lazy Mop Slippers, the ultimate way to clean your floors without lifting a finger. Imagine mopping your house while just walking around. Yep, it's that easy. These slippers are made from soft, microfiber chenille material, and the thick fibers at the bottom trap dirt, hair, and even water stains, all while being non-slip and silent. It's cleaning without the hassle, and they don't just come in one pair. You'll get 4 fun colors, so the whole family can join in the lazy cleaning action. Save time, save energy, and keep your hands free for more important things, like jamming out to your favorite tunes while effortlessly cleaning your floors. Who knew walking around could be this productive? With these mop slippers, cleaning has never been this comfortable or this fun. Number 4 on our list is perfect for those who want to relax while still catching up on their favorite shows or books, the Lazy Glasses. These high-definition prism glasses let you lie flat and still enjoy your screen without lifting your head. No more neck strain or eye fatigue. These glasses let you see at a 90-degree angle so you can watch TV, scroll on your phone, or read a book, all without moving a muscle. With a stylish and lightweight design, they're not only practical but super comfortable to wear. Plus, they're perfect for anyone, whether you're in bed, at the hospital, or just enjoying some serious lazy time. It's the ultimate way to binge watch or read without lifting a finger or your head. Want to lie back and relax? With these lazy glasses, you can. Order yours today. Link in the description. Coming in at number 3 is the automatic pot stirrer, your kitchen's secret weapon for perfectly stirred meals, hands-free. Say goodbye to constantly watching the pot and stirring to prevent burns. This gadget does it all for you. With its patented design, it gently stirs soups, sauces, risottos, whatever you're cooking, to the perfect consistency without scorching your food. Plus, it fits most pots and runs quietly for up to 10 hours. From stews to caramelized onions, this stirrer has got you covered. Just set it up and let it do the work while you relax. Because why stir when you don't have to? The automatic pot stirrer. Effortless cooking at its finest. Link in the description. Coming in at number 2, we've got a game changer, the self-cleaning water bottle. This isn't your average bottle. It kills bacteria in just 3 minutes with its built-in UVC sanitizer right in the cap. Clean water anytime, anywhere. Perfect for travel, the gym, or your daily routine, this bottle keeps your drink safe and germ-free with just a press of a button. And it doesn't stop there. Whether you're carrying hot coffee or cold water, it'll keep your drinks at the perfect temperature. Up to 12 hours hot and 24 hours cold. With up to 500,000 uses on a single charge and a waterproof cap, you'll never have to worry about bacteria or bad odors in your bottle again. Plus, the cap works as a handheld sanitizer for surfaces or any other germ-killing mission. Stay hydrated, stay clean, and stay cool with the self-cleaning water bottle, because germs don't stand a chance. At number 1, we have the ultimate hack for a clutter-free closet, the shirtfolderboard. If you're tired of messy piles of clothes and wrinkled shirts, this tool is about to change your life. Made with advanced metal construction, this folding board is designed to last. No flimsy plastic here. It's durable, sturdy, and built to withstand wear and tear, making it a must-have for anyone who loves staying organized. And guess what? It's the largest and thickest folder on the market, making it perfect for everything from t-shirts to sweaters. With one-handed operation, even laundry day feels like a breeze. Want more space in your closet or suitcase? This board folds clothes into a compact size, so you can maximize your storage space and keep everything neat and wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to perfectly folded clothes. It's not just functional, it's a great gift too. Whether you're organizing your own closet or helping a friend tackle theirs, the shirtfolderboard is the ultimate tool to make folding fast, fun, and efficient. Find the link in the description. Loved what you saw? Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe for more must-have finds. Your next favorite gadget awaits.